get off the jet, get back on another jet. Fifteen-minute flight to San Pedro. What's that, iguana?
I don't know what it is, but...
Is it iguana? Very tender. Mobbing out the hotel, man. Down in San Pedro right now. Golf course city. Rented the bent. Look at them things on the thing, man. Rented the had to lock it up for you. You feel me? Got a nigga like me driving. Man, I'm sliding through San Pedro, man. Sliding through Pedro, man. Running route. Ain't gotta go find some motherfucking food or something. You know what I'm saying? Belize right now, check me out. Look at this. They got Tex-Mex tacos and shrimp tacos. Hogging up the thing. French fries. Even if they go together. Somebody knows. Fresh out the truck stop. We moving and grooving. Eating breakfast in Belize right now. Look at their breakfast, man. Check this out, man. Morning Will, man. Day 2. Belize, man. Come on, man. San Pedro. Come on, let's ride. Check me out. Man, they got a pool, got a swimming pool. You can get freaky. Nasty in that thing. I'm gonna take y'all on the tour in a little bit. Come on, man, let's ride. San Pedro, you gotta have go buckets. Look at the go buckets. Look. You ain't got no cars, no nothing. These are cars, these are rental cars, the go buckets. Or the golf carts. So you gotta they tell you to lock your golf carts up. So you gotta lock these up overnight. Somebody is steal these things, man. So you gotta unlock them, you gotta lock them up, you gotta put the club on them, man. Right now, we headed to Secret Beach, man. This is what we doing. Mark Will, POA. Look, somebody coming. Stop over, you piss in a foreign country, man. It's real relieving. Secret Beach, this way. Let's go. Hey. Man, check this shit out here. Finally made it to Secret Beach. Look at this shit. Yeah. Oh no, you see the hat, man? Man, you see the KC hat on my... Hey, look. I'm way down here in Belize, man. They talking about KC already. They tour Belize, moving and grooving. That's what we doing right now. Look, this is a golf course checkpoint. You gotta have license and registrations, man. Ain't that some shit? Was fucked up. Good? Yeah. Everything good? Yeah. I got license and insurance for the bill. Ain't that some shit? They want license for the dune buggy. So if y'all coming to Belize, they want to see license and insurance for the damn dune buggy. 6 a.m. headed to the excursion. It's raining though. We on the ferry. Mayan River.
To be discovered yet here. This city is one of the oldest archaeological sites in Belize. It was discovered in the late 18th century. So the first excavation took place like around the 1925, and since then excavation is still ongoing, slowly, right? Because it gathers funds, money to come and dig up.
So how long it take them to build this?
Many years.
So what? You say Guatemala where?
Right over there. That's Guatemala over there. This is Belize right here.
So we got Belize right here.
Guatemala over there.
Guatemala over there.
Yeah. No, we're coming down on this side. United States.
What's this river?
This is the Macal.
Macal River. Good. Because I'm not. We gotta catch this plane back to the mainland, back to Belize City.